This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your iMazing jump starter safely and effectively. First, always ensure you are in a well-ventilated area and wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Locate your vehicle's battery and identify the positive and negative terminals. Prepare the jump starter by checking its charge level, which should be above 50%. Familiarize yourself with the device's main power button and indicator lights for a smooth operation. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always put on your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Confirm that your vehicle's ignition is completely off and all electrical accessories, like the radio or lights, are switched off or unplugged. It is crucial to check the iMazing jump starter's power level. It should show at least a 50% charge for optimal performance. Never allow the red and black clamps to touch each other, as this can cause a dangerous short circuit. Now, let us connect the jump starter to your car battery. First, locate your vehicle's battery, clearly identifying the positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign and covered with a red cap, and the negative terminal. Carefully attach the red, positive clamp from the iMazing jump starter to your car battery's positive terminal. Next, securely connect the black, negative clamp to a sturdy, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. With all connections secure, it is time to start your vehicle. Power on your iMazing jump starter, following any specific instructions or button presses for activation. Allow approximately 60 seconds for the jump starter to properly transfer power and condition your battery. This ensures a more efficient start. Now, attempt to start your vehicle by turning the ignition for no more than 5 seconds. If the engine does not immediately start, wait for about 30 seconds before attempting to crank the engine again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.